for that knee to just turn on. There we go. There's the apartment. And so here's like where we kind of, that mark is kind of where we want our liner to end.
Yep.
And it only pulls back to right there. So it covered a lot of it. So you'll get a better view of it. It's just kind of coming around. So that's it. It's just going to be a long blue tube.
Okay.
All the way. Just keep watching. You can see some imperfections in it where it was kind of pushing up against like other misshapes in the pipe and stuff, but it came out really, really, really good. And it stayed about 4 inches. We try not to pressurize it too much. This is a really thick liner, 5.5 millimeters instead of the normal 3, which just kind of is going to be better for how bad the pipe was.
Yep.
So we weren't trying to really, the bigger you expand it, the more that you, it gets thinner. So it just kind of worked out better to keep it thin, or keep it smaller, and it came out really nice.
Better than it did.
I know, right? You can't even tell where a lot of this stuff was.
Because that bad spot was right around here somewhere.
Yeah, you can't even really tell where it was, because I think it was 5.5 or 5-inch pipe there, or 6-inch pipe. So it just had a lot of bigger, smaller stuff. So it worked out really good. Oh, that's probably the really bad spot right there. Right there. To where we started the liner, right there. So see, there's our floor drain.
Yep.
We were going to cover it, but we wanted to land like right here, and we landed right there, and we didn't cover it, so worked out fine. So you're good to go, man. You guys can use whatever.
Awesome.
We got some cleanup to do, and then we're out of here.